Alright, so I was walking over this bridge right here. Decided to take a look over it, and I noticed, hey, there's a bunch of shiny broken glass down there. A lot of that looks really old. Let's go see what that's about. Alright. Heading down here. A little slippery right now. But check out this one. This is the first thing that caught my eye right here. This cool old thing. Looks like it might say 3IV. And another sweet one. Oh no, it's I got this hexagonal shape to it. It's pretty interesting, but some real cool stuff. Oh, check out this thing on the hillside here. Oh my gosh. Federal law forbids sale. Can I get a date on this thing? 1 pint. Another great find right here. I wish the top wasn't chipped, but old bottle of Purex. Love finding old history. Man, I wonder if any of these are worth anything. This thing is like a honey hole for old glass. If it's Halley's, it's good. Alright guys, here's an example of what I'm crawling through. I'm going all in here. I'm in this narrow little creek passage, and it is not easy going. Right now, I am splitting the wall between this creek, and I'm getting my hat ripped off by every single one of these stickers. Oh my gosh, guys. I got so excited when I saw this sticking up out of the ground. Oh, I thought it was a handle. Be so cool to have an old Moonshiners bottle. Oh my gosh, you guys. I may have found it. Take a look in there. This bad boy is like at least a gallon. I don't think I can grab this and hold my phone. We'll see. I'm just gonna set it down. I don't want to get cut. All right, I got it. Unfortunately, it was not a handle, but it is 1 gallon. I don't know what they would have used it for. Federal law prohibits sale. 1 gallon. Huh. If you know, leave me a comment. I'm just forging my way up the creek bed here. See what we can find. Ooh, yeah, I like this. Check this out. Ah, the top's broken. That is a cool one. What is this? 1969? Am I reading this the right way? 1959? Huh. Kind of cool, because it's like, this used to be an old dump from my understanding at one point, but it's almost like digging through layers of archaeology. The creek just melts it away. Look at this thing sticking out of the dirt there. What a sweet find. Check out this natural, well, I don't know if you could call it natural, but I found a terrarium that formed itself inside this glass jar. It got basically sealed by the mud, and then within this, it's got like a little ecosystem growing. This is so cool. I kind of want to take this home. I think I need to. I'm just gonna leave it here for now, but wow. This is fucking sweet.